tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for professionals and businesses alike. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP DesignJet T650 large format 36-inch plotter printer. This beast of a machine is designed to deliver high-quality, precise, and crisp prints, making it an ideal choice for architects, engineers, construction professionals, and anyone who needs wide or large format prints. One of the key features that really stood out to me is the included 2-year extended warranty. This is not just any warranty. It's a comprehensive package that includes on-site and remote support, HP parts, and fast as next business day device service if your issue can't be resolved. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're protected in case anything goes wrong. Imagine being in the middle of a critical project and your printer breaks down. With this warranty, you can get back up and running quickly without losing valuable time or money. This is a huge benefit for businesses and professionals who rely on their printers to meet deadlines and deliver high-quality results. Another feature that I'm really impressed with is the media handling capabilities of the HP DesignJet T650. This printer can handle a wide range of media sizes, from up to 36-inch wide media rolls to up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the included automatic sheet feeder accessory. The automatic sheet/roll switch, media bin, and automatic horizontal cutter make it easy to print multi-size projects automatically, without needing to manually switch the media source. This is a huge time saver, and it also helps to reduce errors and waste. Whether you're printing technical line drawings, renders, posters, or maps, this printer can handle it with ease. Now let's talk about the cost savings. The HP DesignJet T650 is designed to be simple and cost-effective. It uses 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to other competitor plotter printers. This is a significant cost saving, especially for businesses that print large volumes. Imagine being able to print high-quality documents and images without breaking the bank. This printer is not just a great investment for professionals and businesses, but also for the environment. By using less ink and reducing waste, you're doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T650 large format 36-inch plotter printer is an incredible machine that delivers high-quality, precise, and crisp prints. With its included 2-year extended warranty, comprehensive media handling capabilities, and cost-saving efficiencies, it's an ideal choice for anyone who needs wide or large format prints. Whether you're an architect, engineer, construction professional, or business owner, this printer is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP DesignJet T650 today and experience the power and precision